There she is, Mr. Ian. I'm not seeing any damages. The front bumper, as you can see, is actually rock guarded. There's maybe a chip here on the grill. Normal use damage, nothing too serious. There's also rock guard as well right here on the hood, the bumper. I'm not seeing no dents on the hood. There is a couple chips on the windshield. The fender flares are also rock guarded. Some nice also rims right there with some decent tread left, as you can see. Mud flaps, more rock guard on the side here. I'm not seeing really any chips. A couple here on the door. I'll point them out for you. Mirrors, not too many on the mirrors. All in all, truck on the outside is in pretty decent shape. Here's the back as well. Some rock guards. Looks like there's a couple marks on the rock guard as well. But hey, she's still nice. Has the nice ram boxes. Here's the rims again. A decent tread in the back. Looks like the tail lights have been tinted. Here's your box. Not seeing any dents, but looks like there is a couple chips here and there from rocks. The paint is peeling right here, looks like. A little bit of rust. The back bumper is all rock guarded. There is some sensors. It sounds like it has an aftermarket exhaust. I'm not 100%, but she purrs. And here's the right side of the truck. As you can see, a couple little chips here and there, but that is Alberta wear and tear, I guess. So she's not bad. Here's the side again. A chip here, some more as you can see here. And then you got your rim. So this is the truck. You got another chip here. Like, it's not bad. Like, you can't really notice them. I'm just trying my best to actually just point them out, since this truck is driving out to Cold Lake. Well, if you buy it, I should say. Here's the door. Got your power windows. The inside. She's all cleaned up. Alpine sound system. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, cooled seats, park sensors, you name it. It's got the knob. I'll look at the back. She's pretty roomy back here, man. And I'll show you the driver's side. Gas cap. Here's the drivers. As you can see there, we do have a low tire, but that's all gonna be fixed. And yeah, she's pretty mint, man. You got your cruise, your Bluetooth, your nav, you name it. So yeah, let me know what you think, buddy.